Guys, for today's video guys, we will be discussing all of the Korean EX cards. So we will be showing all of the Korean EX cards that we got. And you can decide guys if this is really nice or not. So based on my experience and based on the quality of these cards, as I can see here guys in actual, the EX card in Korean versions is really nice guys, and it's really has a resemblance from the Japanese version, which is more colorful and more bright. Okay, you can see here guys the glossiness of the card, and of course the shininess of the card is really cool. The artwork is really cool. Actually, the artwork is the same in the Japanese version, and the quality guys of the print is 99.9% same. And you can see here guys the shiny glittering shiny appearance. And this one is a EX card guys from the Mega Evolution. I really like it because the texture is, you can see here the texture is really different. Okay, up. Yeah, okay, zoom it a bit. You can see the texture of that EX card is a bit different compared to the normal EX card. So yeah, it's really nice guys. So for me, one of the best EX card is coming from the set of Mega Evolution. Okay, Korean Mega Evolution, and of course the the Paradise Dragona. Okay, so this one come from Paradise Dragona. You see the texture guys, and the color. It's really rainbow color. Really nice. I love Korean EX card guys, and they're very cheap. So actually, we are also selling them in our Shopee shop. You can check Daily Dose of Magic, guys. I'll be posting it in the description below. And you can see, guys, we're selling this for very cheap price, half the price of the Japanese version. But actually, guys, excuse, the quality is the same. So if you are looking for a good thing to collect, so Korean EX card is a very nice start to collect Pokemon, guys. So, also, they are pretty cheap, and they are really artwork is really good. So you can see here, guys. Wow, this is my favorite TX card, please. Oh, sorry, this is a V Star, VMAX. So the Korean VMAX card was also cool, guys. You can see here the texture as well. So this one is a VMAX that just happened to be there. So this one. So actually I compare Korean and Japanese EX card in our previous videos, guys. You can check that out. But as I can say, the texture of the Mega Evolution EX card is way better, and also the Paradise Dragona, and coming from the Black Bolt as well, and also the Heatwave EX card. This one comes from the Heatwave EX card. Really nice as well. Garchomp. Okay, and of course our favorite Pokemon, legendary Pokemon, Ho-Ho. So I'm just showing you guys so that you can decide, and you can do your own research as well. So but in my opinion, and in my honest opinion, guys, and as you can see in the video as well, the Korean EX card is also the same quality as a Japanese EX card. So I'll show you guys a sample of Japanese EX card. This is a Japanese EX card. Okay, you can see the glossiness is also same, and those stars, glittering stars right there, is also same on our Korean version. So this is the Korean version. Where's that? Sorry. Let's check back again. So this is the Korean version, guys. Okay, you can see here, guys, the glossiness is the same. Those starry sky is also the same. Okay, VMAX card. Okay, I think, guys, that's all, and hopefully you can also subscribe on our YouTube channel. So this is Zekrom EX card. Very nice. So this one in English version and in Japanese version, I saw they're selling around 10 ringgit. But this one, guys, we're selling only in our Shopee shop for 8 ringgit, including the top loader. So top loader is quite expensive as well. So that's why we had some stuff there. So I think that's all, guys. And yeah, see you again in the next video, guys. Thank you so much. And hopefully you enjoyed our video on the Korean EX cards. God bless. And see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Let's go. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much.